Transmission oil replacement. Install the fender covers. Lift the vehicle on two-post lift. Locate the transmission oil drain plug and place the appropriate container below it to collect used oil. Remove the drain plug and allow used oil to drain in the container completely. After draining the used oil completely, wipe the drain plug hole and the area around it. Apply the liquid gasket on drain plug threads. Install the oil drain plug and tighten it to the recommended torque. To avoid overfilling, some manual transmission vehicles do not come equipped with dipstick. These vehicles generally have a filling cum level plug on the side of transmission housing. Remove the filling cum level plug. Fill the recommended grade of transmission oil with the help of oil pump. Stop filling oil when oil starts dripping out of filling cum level plug hole. Reinstall the filler cum level plug and tighten it to recommended torque. Check for any sign of leakage near drain plug. Bring the vehicle down and remove the fender covers.